Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to change default theme in device easy on Realme 16 Pro. Let's start the video. First of all, restart phone. So just click and hold power button. After just click and hold power button, so restart phone from here. After restart phone, you will see your problem is solved. So if it not solved, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down, and click on system update. After click on system update, click on software update. So you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen and you will check your problem is solved. So if it's still not solved, again click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system and update and click on backup and reset and click on reset phone and click on reset all setting. Enter your phone pin and click on reset. After click on reset, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can change default theme in device easy on Realme 16 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.